We're going to give you that corrosion resistance being the stainless steel. They're super easy to use too. You have these little crimps. You're just going to put it down through one side here and then loop the cable back on itself like this and then crimp it down. This will give you a nice little eyelet that you can hook up to pretty much anything, little poles, things like that for gardening. What I think would be really nice is having a pole with like some notches in it, and you can raise or lower this to carry your water lines for watering your plants. I plan on using the heavy duty cable here for is to hold up our sun sails. They're going to be exposed to a lot of wind pressure, and then they're also going to need to be tensioned down. So what I plan on doing is taking the little eyelet here, hooking this up to the sun sail side, and then we'll take the wire here, and this is really easy to do. You're just going to slide again your little crimper on here, take this piece, your little eyelet loop. This is going to help keep the cable from kinking. You're just going to loop it back around on itself, slide it through here, and then you can basically just keep tensioning up the long end till you get the length that you want here. Now you've got it nice and tight, and we'll be able to crimp. And you can do it with the smaller cable too. Feed it through the one side, loop it back around on itself, feed it in. And the other thing is too, you can buy these additional eyelets here that can be used for the smaller cable, or these larger ones, while they're not ideal, they'll still work. Now that I have everything ready to go, I'm going to crimp this down. And you can see here it puts a nice flat crimp on it. You don't have to worry about this sliding out. So again, these are going to be perfect for pretty much any scenario where you could think of using rope. What I think is really nice about these though is they are built to suit. You don't have to tie things off. You basically just are going to loop these around, crimp them in there, and you're going to not have to worry about them decaying or corroding over time the way you would with rope or twine, things like that. And it's going to have a lot better of a look with the stainless steel, I think. You're not going to have all the fraying and things like that that happen, or UV degradation that occurs with rope versus these steel cables.